What's up guys? So it's that time of year again, it's Black Friday, and that means there's another Vanoss mystery box. So this one's $79.99, and every box is packed with over $150 worth of stuff, and it's only going to be around for 10 days. But yeah, every box is guaranteed to have one hoodie, one tee, one hat, and one accessory. And of course, there's a bunch of new designs that we've never seen before. And one added bonus, which is pretty crazy, is that 3 people who order a mystery box are going to get a $1,000 value mega box. So obviously that's not the point of getting these mystery boxes, but if you're interested, that's another added bonus. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Check it out if you want. The link will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching and all the support as always. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and I'll talk to you all later.